everybody. My name is Chloe and I'm the Family Programs Coordinator here at the Farmhouse Museum. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple craft activity that will brighten up your long, dark winter days. So all you're going to need is construction paper, or if you have any kind of colorful paper, that will also work. The size, shape, pattern doesn't really matter. You're going to need scissors and either a glue stick or a stapler. You're going to take this piece of paper and divide it up into lots of little strips, as you can see here. So the way that I did that, and again, there's multiple ways to make this happen. The way that I did it was I folded it in half, hamburger style, right? From here to here. And then I'm going to fold it in half again. So from here, it's going to look like this, right? So what I want is little thin strips. And so I'm going to divide my piece of paper from 1 into 8 pieces. So if I unfold it right now, you can see that I have 4, right? And in order to get to 8, you could fold it again, but I find that the more you fold it, the more uneven the lines get. So I'm just going to keep it folded up like this into quarters, and then I'm going to use my scissors to just cut down the middle, right? If you really wanted to, you could use a ruler and a pencil to make those nice straight lines, but it doesn't really matter that much. So you're going to cut down here, and you'll notice that some of the pieces are now in strips like I want them to be, and then some of them are like this. They're still folded. So I'm just going to make sure that I separate these out by cutting right here. And by cutting, this one needs more. So this is 2 pieces that are folded up together, and I'm going to cut right here. And again, they don't have to be perfect because they're going to curve so you won't really see them. So next, I'm going to be assembling a kind of chain pattern. So you can see that I have the beginnings of one right here, right? So in order to do this, I'll show you the glue stick first. I'm going to take my glue stick. I'm going to take a strip of paper and I'm going to put glue in a little kind of line right at the top. So right here, and you kind of need a lot. And then I'm going to take this and fold it over so that I have a ring shape. So it should look like this, right? So you're going to want to pinch it for a little bit so that it stays, and then you're going to connect your chain pieces by doing your next one just the same, but you're going to go through this ring that you already have, right? So in here, and then you kind of fold it around. So what you have should look like this. So I'm going to put on the glue. And I'm going to pinch. And then if I wanted to do this with a stapler, you can also do it with tape. I just didn't have any tape. If I wanted to do it with a stapler, I would do the exact same thing. I'm going to take another strip. I'm going to put it through like this. And then here's what I already have, and I want to connect them. So I am just going to put this through. Don't worry if it looks kind of weird, it'll make sense. Stapler, remember if you're a youngster to be careful using this and don't staple your fingers. Put it through and line it up. And I'm going to give it 2 staples just to be sure. So as you can see, my chain is getting longer and longer. So I have 8 pieces here. So just to kind of demonstrate how much you need, you can make this as long or as short as you want it to be. But just to give you an idea of how much to go for, this is 8 strips, which is equal to 1 piece of normal size construction paper. So if you want this to be longer, if you have a nice 18th century mantle like we do here in the Wyckoff house, you could decorate it like so. I know I'm probably going to be hanging my garland over my door at home. If you celebrate Christmas, this is something that you could put on your Christmas tree with the lights. If you don't celebrate Christmas and you want something bright and cheery to decorate your house with, I know we're all spending a lot of time indoors right now, and so this is a very simple project that we can all do together with our family and decorate our house for fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know what you think, and if you make this craft, please share a picture by tagging us, and we would love to see what you do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.